Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to play Bed of Roses on guitar. We'll begin by identifying the core chords that form the backbone of this classic song. Then, we'll break down an easy strumming pattern that you can use throughout. Our goal is to get you playing a recognizable version of the song quickly, focusing on clear sounds and smooth changes between chords. Let's dive right in and get your fingers moving. To play Bed of Roses, you'll primarily need 4 open chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are fundamental shapes that many guitarists learn early on. For strumming, try a simple pattern: down, down, up, up, down, up. This rhythm provides a good foundation for the song's feel. Remember to press down firmly on the strings with your fretting hand to ensure each chord rings out clearly. Now, let's put those chords into action for the song's structure. For the verse, you'll generally cycle through G, C, D, and then back to G. This 4-chord progression creates the melodic foundation. When you reach the chorus, the progression shifts slightly to E minor, C, G, and D. Practice these sequences slowly at first, ensuring each chord change is clean and on time. The rhythm is key to making it sound right. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering Bed of Roses. Start by playing the chord changes and strumming pattern at a very slow tempo, gradually building up your speed. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize the song's feel and timing. For a slightly different, brighter tone, you might experiment with placing a capo on the first fret. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this iconic song with confidence in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.